I just got home from taking photos this morning. It's about 3:15 Sunday afternoon. Listen to Chippo having a go at me because I didn't take him this morning. He's whistling the same thing like a broken record. Oh, bastard! He sneaked up behind me, Chippy. You're sneaky, mate. Yes, Chippy. I was talking about you, that's right. Chippy, where are you? Well, Chippy. Hello. Hey, what did you piss on me bed for, Chippo? Mate, snap out of it. What did you do? On my jacket. Chip, listen, mate, you had to go to Sunday school this morning. Stop fucking around, please. I couldn't help it. There it is. That's from you, look. See? That's from him. Chippo. Him. You come with me next time, okay? Yeah? Yeah. So you're not gonna, you know, pay out on me no more than you finish the broken record routine. This, now you don't like that. That's it. I read, what do you call it? You know, that stuff. Anyway. Funny guy, eh? Who is he? I'll keep an eye on him. Sneaks up on me. Here. Here he is. Okay, mate. You go on like that. Now, I'm going to change tune from now to now. One more hour of some of the torture. Chip, serious? Come on, man. Go easy on me, please. You know, school's more important. Chip. Don't shit in my socks. Don't buffer me. Hey, what are you doing shitting on my socks, Chip, huh? Huh? What have you got to say? Chip, you can't hold vendettas like this. You've been stewing all day, haven't you? You've been stewing all day, right? I know you have, I can tell. Yeah, well, Chippy. Well, I left early, yeah? Early. You should see the photos I got, Chip. I think you like them. Yep. Pretty cool. Chippo, now I know where the Egyptians got the idea for the painting. Yeah, Chippy, I got them on photo. Hey, Chippy, don't turn your back on me, will you? Alright. So, you're not excited? Are you going to clean? You're going to clean for me? No, you're cleaning for yourself, I know. Yeah. I know what you're up to. You want me to give you that sock? Nah, I don't care, you do your exercises. Half your luck. You know, I'm impressed. Well, take it then. Yours. Have my sock. Yeah, well, so you leave the one that you've done your turd on, yeah, and you take the one that you didn't do it. Oh, you're not taking it. Oh, now you're going to guilt with me, Chip. Chippo, you don't have to take off. Hey, wait, you're making me feel bad, Chippy. Wait, what's the matter? Huh? Say what? What is it, Chip? What? Yeah, you want me to hang it up? Is that what you want me to do? Hang it up? Oh, boy. Hmm. Oh, Chip. Listen. Yeah. But I tell you what, Chippo. Serious. I didn't, I left early this morning, Chip. You know what I mean? Where are you? I left early. So, you got Sunday school. And, you had to take off. Okay? Yeah. Alright. I'll put it on here for you. How come it's off balance, Chip? What's going on?